Welcome back everyone. There's been some really cool news recently on how to get Discord Nitro for free. Now, if you don't know what Discord Nitro is, it's basically a, supreme VIP version of Discord that unlocks a ton of different features and everything. Now, you can always pay for it if that is an option, but there are a couple of different ways to get it for free. Now, a lot of these different ways aren't necessarily like the best, it's not the way to get it free every single time, but sometimes you can get it for free if you're lucky. Now the very first way is a really new way that just came out today, depending on when you're watching this. It came out the day of me uploading this video, and that's actually if you buy game passes from Xbox. It has, first of all, a ton of different perks within it, but you can actually get, I believe, 3 months of Discord Nitro for free, which is really cool. So if you're already planning on getting the Xbox Game Pass, you can actually get Discord Nitro for free just by purchasing that, and there are a ton of different perks with that as well. So that's the very first way I would recommend. Now, I wouldn't necessarily, bet on it, but you can even get the Xbox Game Pass for free anyway if you use my Microsoft Rewards tutorial that I've talked a lot about. And basically just go to Microsoft Rewards, fill that out, and use Bing basically as a search engine, and you can get tons of points that way. So that's one way. You have to pay for the Xbox Game Pass in order to get Discord Nitro, but you can always use the Microsoft Rewards method to get the Xbox Game Pass for free and then get the Discord Nitro for free too. So that's like a double whammy right there. Now the next way to get it for free is to follow Discord on Twitter. Now this in and of itself is not going to get you any free Discord Nitro or anything, but Discord does sometimes do some giveaways. Now it's very rare, I think recently it hasn't been as crazy, but they do sometimes actually give out free things. Either you have to do certain things and you get it for free, and I think it's sometimes you just have to follow them and they'll just tweet out a link, oh, Discord Nitro is free, or you can gift it to somebody. That is another humongous thing you can do, and I would highly recommend doing that as well. Again, it might take a couple of months for you to finally see something. I'm not going to say you follow them today and you'll get free Discord Nitro tomorrow, and do keep in mind that it's not indefinite. It is, usually just like a 1 month or 2 month free trial, or just a 1 month, extension of what it is, but you can always gift it to somebody too. If you're following Discord, sometimes you might be able to go in the comments and sometimes ask people to gift it to you if they already have it. So that's probably not the best way I would recommend, but following Discord is the best way, I think, in terms of getting it for free without having to buy anything. And the next one, the last one, and I'll probably make a different video of this too if you guys want to go ahead and see more. I don't know how many views this is going to get, but Discord sometimes holds online events, and sometimes they do give out free stuff, and sometimes that does end up being Discord Nitro. Now, like I said, it's usually like a month or two free trial, and so you can use Discord Nitro for that time being, which is really, really cool. Or you can get it gifted to you by someone else who went to that event, and you will find out about these events and different things like that by following Discord on Twitter. Or if you follow the subreddit of Discord, then you can probably get a ton of different information there. So that's another way. There's tons of events going on. I know there's some during Christmas, but maybe there's some during the mid of the year too. So you can always wait until Christmas or maybe October or Thanksgiving. Maybe they'll have events then. So kind of just follow Discord, and they'll probably tweet out whenever the next event is, but they do give out free Discord Nitro sometimes on occasion. So those are a couple ways on how to get Discord Nitro for free. Like I said, it might take you a couple of tries, maybe a couple of months in order to get it through, but it's definitely worth it in the long run. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. Send me so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.